Hey man, look so disturbed ever since the topic Amazon was dealt with.
Yeah, these lines. It's so very true.
Yeah, Amazon, right? These lanes were printed before many years. Now it's happening around us.
Yeah, we didn't feel a catastrophe until the news came up in media.
Come on, guys, can you all just stop talking?
Alita, why are you being so rude these days?
Oh, didn't get why such groups were made? These boys didn't fare well in their last exam. Now it's up to me to take care of them.
See, we know you are the leader, but there are ways to change them, not by boasting like this.
But Sam, she should do her duty right. In this pre-board exam, we had to score maximum.
Hey, scoring marks is not a big deal.
See, guys, it's not merely for marks. We have to apply something we study in our lives, like in our society.
Yes, we should do something.
We'll go and get permission from the principal to plant trees in our school premises.
Oh
Yes.
And we should do some programs to bring in awareness to other children that planting trees is the need of the hour.
But aren't we too young to do all this?
Have you heard about Greta Thunberg who attained global attention for climate strike?
Yes, the young climate activist. She's nominated for Nobel Prize, right?
Oh, again, prize? We meant to say she's younger to us, so why can't we?
Let's start a club in our school and let our juniors start working in it in the coming years.
Listen. Then I have a name. Fun. For you, nature.
Bravo, I liked it. High five.
So whoever's in, join hands.
Alita.
Whatever.
One for all.
All for one. Ma'am, may we come in?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Take your seats. Okay, children, what's the matter?
Well, ma'am, we are here to ask you permission to plant trees in our school campus.
Ma'am, our school is so very deserted. We need to make it green. And we need a green signal from you.
Okay, but at the threshold of board exams, what made you think so?
Ma'am, it's a biology textbook. It's kind of an indicator for a deserted future.
And we would like to start a club for the same, and we would like to call it Fun. For you, nature.
See, I just can't express my happiness. Kids should be like you. If you treat the lines in your textbook as mere study material, they will help you to score mark. But if you imbibe the same in your heart, it will make your life worth living. So proud of you, kids. Permission granted.
Hey, Aaron, long time, brother. It's so nice of you to arrange a get together. Well, how did you manage to open the school on Sunday?
Hey, Bassam, he's the principal of this institution. To whom we should ask?
Oh, I totally forgot about that.
Hey, Mehtab, I heard about your new startup. What was it about?
Yes, I'm managing a small fitness center. I thought it is helpful for me. But others are fit, I'm still like this.
You must have named it after her, right?
Obviously.
Man, why are you still caught up with the old memories?
If I knew what love was, that was from her only. Let it be that.
Hey, why are you so engrossed with that tree?
Because I planted this one. See how big she has become? 20 years. Feels like everything happened yesterday.
Hey, look who's here!
Surprise, ma'am!
Hello, dears.
How are you?
Come, children, I'll show you something. On my retirement, I gifted this.
There she stands. Look at her. Everyone gave me gift on that day, and I gave a gift back to them. And now I'm in fun too. And the most beautiful part is, many schools have taken up our project and they are in fun. Yeah, fun! One for all?
All for one!
The pages of textbooks are not meant merely to score marks. Each line speaks. You just need to listen and act. Then you'll find the world smiling at you. Come, let's make the world a better place to live.
Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല, കയറോടായിട്ടില്ല. കുറച്ച് ഹോട്ടലുണ്ടാ. പോയി കണ്ട് മനസ്സിലാണ്ട് ഇതാ.
ഈ മരം എവിടെ? ഈ മരം.
അപ്പൊ ഇത്
ഇനി ആ സമയത്ത് വേണ്ടല്ലേ? One for all! All for one!
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are